I am building a custom subwoofer box for my parents' Alfa Romeo Giulia. They really hated the original sound, so me and my dad are building a custom sound system. We started looking at existing solutions, such as a regular subwoofer box and solutions utilizing a beauty panel with a backfiring subwoofer. However, I have looked at a lot of videos from the YouTube channel called Car Audio Fabrication, and he explained the use and benefits of a front-firing subwoofer for sedans. Click this link to see his videos about building subwoofer boxes and wiring. I used his exact methods to build this subwoofer box. I started by taking measurements of the trunk. Height, depth, and angle are important. For the Giulia, the angle is 70 degrees between the boot and the back seats. I kept the thickness of the amplifiers in mind and left some margin for the excursion of the subwoofers. The template is for the total size of all components combined. You can see from the crease that the fuse box will still be accessible. Quickly after measuring, I found some Rockford Fosgate subwoofers on the Dutch marketplace. They were an absolute bargain at only €40 per piece. Now that we know what subwoofers we're going to use, let's start building the box. I designed this box in Fusion, which makes it really easy to visualize the dimensions. I used a measuring tool within Fusion to measure the lines and drew these sizes onto 18mm thick MDF. Which barely fitted in our little MiTo, by the way. I noticed that the sizes were spot on. I used a cheap circular saw to cut the MDF, but it still looks incredibly well made. Just take a look at the finished product. Looks good, doesn't it?
Alpha's got no bass, no boom, no bite. Stock speakers whispering on a Friday night. Dad says, kid, we can fix this right. Got ours, light flickers, MDF inside.
Measure twice, cut once, no tears. Soapbox dreams loud as the neighbors stare.
Bumping in the Alpha, bumping so fine. €40 subs, now the rise divine.